My dear friends, I came to know that some people are keeping me names. They are saying Luis is a not good man. He is speaking against. Truth hurts many. See, if it is my problem, means it is whole community problem. You have children, you have brothers, sisters, everyone has. In future times, same problem might face you. See, Father Alex Dimelo, sister faced the annulment and divorce problem, and Father Alex Dimelo helped her sister with annulment because he cares her sister in marriage purpose. They are these people, these priests, judicial vicars are doing partiality, and these laws, canon laws, are all fake. They are forceful laws against the humanity laws. They are forcing couple to stay even if they are separated from the civil court. You are doing all this judicial vicars are saying that it is the most powerful laws in the world, spiritual laws. They are forceful laws. When couple don't want to stay for some purpose, they are separated. Means they have to give, they have to separate from the church also. But they are not doing. They are showing off the spiritual power of what they are doing. If I start speaking, then you will say, how this Louis is speaking against again, against and against and against. Jesus had no institutions. Jesus only preached all over the world. But you people are having the institutions. For what? Why you need the institutions? I don't want to speak this more. So this is the whole community problem. Why I am doing like this? Because I have faced those problems, so I am doing like this. I have faced such problems, so I am doing like this. You can't say Luis is a mad boy or Luis is doesn't know anything. You don't want to speak. You don't want to speak against church laws, canon laws, which are bogus laws, which are forceful laws. And there is partiality. These priests, bishops, cardinals do partially when their relatives' case comes. And I want to tell you, they have to obey the state law and free the people from their worries. They are not government. They are not government. Okay? They are not judiciary system. Faith, religion is a faith. And why I am doing this all? Why I am doing this all? Because my second wife needs sacrament marriage, so I am doing like this. Else I don't need God, I don't need church, I don't need anything. I myself is a God, I myself is a man, I myself is the devil, all in one. I don't require anything, but just because my second wife needs the sacrament marriage, so I am fighting. And they should help or carry out this work instead of pending for 3 years. What they are doing there? Judicial Vicar of Sindhudurg Diocese, Panjam. Bogus. They are bogus.